Have you come across the InsLemon Microneedle Patch and wondered if it really can help you lose weight while improving your overall health? The product is advertised as a revolutionary wellness patch that claims to burn fat, boost metabolism, control blood sugar, tighten skin, and deliver impressive health benefits through advanced microneedle technology. These promises sound extremely appealing, especially for people searching for an easy alternative to dieting and exercise. But after examining the available information, the results are far less convincing than the marketing suggests. One of the biggest concerns is the product's long list of extraordinary claims. Yet there is no publicly available high-quality clinical evidence proving that simply wearing this patch can deliver the dramatic results shown in advertisements. Another red flag is the repeated use of phrases like FDA approved and clinically tested. Even though these statements often appear without links to verifiable studies or official documentation, many of the promotional videos and testimonials also appear overly polished, with signs of AI-generated content, stock footage, or customer stories that cannot be independently verified. The patch itself also seems very similar to generic microneedle or herbal patches sold under multiple brand names, raising questions about whether InsLemon offers anything truly unique or simply repackages an existing low-cost product at a much higher price. The advertising frequently relies on dramatic before and after transformations, emotional success stories, and limited-time discounts that encourage impulse purchases instead of informed decisions. While some users may enjoy using wellness patches as part of their personal routine, there is currently no reliable scientific evidence showing that this product alone can produce rapid weight loss, significantly boost metabolism, or treat multiple health conditions as advertised. That doesn't automatically mean every customer will have a negative experience, but it does mean the promotional claims deserve careful scrutiny. Before spending your money, compare the product with trusted alternatives. Read independent customer reviews from reliable sources. And remember that sustainable weight management still depends on balanced nutrition, regular physical activity, quality sleep, and realistic expectations rather than products promising effortless results.